Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathii na mbere wega. Karen Nyamu riu ni agikorwo agiconfirm uria maundu makihana gatagati wake na Samido thutha wa Samido gukorwo agitira hindi ya launch ya The Bahatis reality show, though eri acio makiri featured in that reality show na matiakorirwo makiattend that launch as any other couple yakiri thiini wa launch iyo. Andu makoretwo magiciriria ati kwina njetukano kana break up gatagati wa Samido na Karen Nyamu, though eri aya matikire magi confirm if at all ni ma break it up na ciuria makiria ciagi come up during launch eno ya reality ya The Bahatis. Kwana Samido did not attend the launch despite being featured together na Karen Nyamu. Fans makoretwo magitindika Karen makienda kumenya why Samido did not attend the launch makiri hamwe. Sheila akwandikire Karen na kimwira Senator Karen Nyamu, I want to know why was the father absent na nilikuwa nataka kumuona pamoja. Father Abraham anatu disappoint nowadays. Karen danakihota gukira na niagikorwa kirespondera Sheila we about cia Samido na niho arakorirwo agicokeria Sheila kimwira ati Samido is in the USA to attend graduation ya daughter wake na Eddie. Karen agiclear deto icio na kuga she is the one who took Samido Korea airport to travel outside the country to USA gukora gicamania na his other family. Fans magitaukwo makeria why Samido atagikorirwo attend together na Karen Nyamu launch ya The Bahatis, kona eri acio makire featured in that reality show. Ndigutenderithia ndeto eno makeria damiaria toria ya nginyira. Make sure you turn on your notification bell na wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira video cito tucamanie na wa next one.